guys, welcome to Brings and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about flooding in Jamaica, and a 11-year-old boy has come up missing due to flooding in Jamaica. It says a massive search is now on for a 10-year-old, oh my bad, it was 10-year-old boy who is believed to have been washed away by floodwaters in the Augustown area of St. Andrew. The details of the development are still not clear, but reports are that the following heavy rains on Wednesday afternoon, family members were heard raising an alarm after they tried to locate the child and could not find him. Family members were heard raising an alarm after they tried to locate the child and could not find him. Police sources said that a search party is now in the community trying to locate the child, as fears and suggestions that he was washed away by the floodwaters have become more and more believable. Further details are anticipated as Loop News continues to track the developments, and there is also this video going around on social media in that area of how bad the waters is, and it's believable. It's very believable that this boy may have been taken by floodwaters. And somebody said, so there's a cart that they're actually using to cross people through the water, and the fee is 100 for schoolers and 200 for adults. And you can see people pushing these people in carts to make sure that they get to school and get to their job safely. So they're actually getting an income from this whole flood situation. But I hope they find this 10-year-old boy and he is fine, hopefully. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And as you guys, Jamaica need to be very, very careful as far as rain and natural disaster is concerned. You know, Barbados went through their thing recently. Jamaica need to thank the heavens and the man above that hurricane didn't hit them, and also that these minor flooding incident that we're having is not as big of a deal, because it can get a lot worse. So always look at the glass half full and not half empty. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and keep the family member of the 10-year-old boy in your prayers and thoughts as they continue to search for him. Deuces.
Three miles down the road is the Yalas River. Residents were forced to pay between $250 and $500 to cross, as transportation was restricted to either a heavy-duty vehicle or being lifted across.
Right now, nobody can cross it. The only who can understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. The only fisherman and a fisher woman. Just me. Nobody can cross it. The only who can manage the water.